Welcome to Allure Condos located at 23 Glebe Rd West. This boutique building is located in the southwest quadrant of the Yonge and Eglinton intersection and is a 550-meter walk to Eglinton Subway Station and a 400-meter walk to Davisville Subway Station. There are 10 floors and 195 units, which range in size from approximately 370 square feet to over 1,200 square feet. This Greenpark Homes building was registered in June 2015, and for those renting out units, yes, rent control applies. Amenities here include a 24/7 concierge, gym and yoga room, a terrace with barbecues for use, a theater room, party room, billiards room, a lounge, and visitor parking. Maintenance fees include heat, so residents will be responsible to pay separately for hydro and water. This is a pet-friendly building allowing for 1 pet per suite, and there are no specific weight restrictions. Most units have balconies, and views facing south, east, and west are mostly unobstructed. If this is a building you're interested in and you have any questions or would like to take a look at some units, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to hear from you.